My cuckoo clock is complete. It's working. And it will chime on the hour every hour, unless you want to turn it off. This is the back. USB or battery powered. Theme of Alice in Wonderland. Took a long time to make. I'm very, very patient. Now, down here, there's a light. Pull that string, and the lights come on. And you can see the pendulum in the bottom, rocking away. If you want the cuckoo to sound, you just press this step here, one of the steps. Otherwise, every hour he'll come out and cuckoo. You can turn it off. One more time. Lights off. Pull the little string. That's the lights off. And that's my latest project. Door at the back opens so you can see inside. Took a long time to make. Unbelievable. But there it is. The cuckoo clock.